guys, Taylor at Bone Cutter Off-Road here. I just wanted to give a quick tech tip on how to change a spark plug on a Beta 2-stroke. Keep in mind this is pretty similar for most 2-strokes, especially ones that are still carbureted. So to be able to reach the plug easier, if you take the tank off or take it loose and set it to the side like what I've done, you can actually reach it a lot easier and get your wrench in there. So after you get the area open, you then pull off the spark plug cap. And after you pull off the spark plug cap, you then find the correct wrench to take out your spark plug, and you take it loose and pull it out. I use this time to check and see what the spark plug looks like. Does it have too much oil? Is it not oiled enough? Is it crispy brown looking? Is it tan? Is it black? Is it wet? Is it smell like gas? The spark plug tells the story, and each thing tells a different story about how your bike's running and if there's anything you need to do different, kind of thing, as far as jetting or oil mixture, fuel and air mixture. So here we change our spark plugs before every race. And if on my practice bike, if I'm not racing it, I'll change it every time I change the oil, just to make sure. Spark plugs are cheap insurance, so why would you not do that? Most spark plugs, especially for the carbureted bikes, are $10 or less. Iridiums are a little bit more expensive, but it's just a habit we've gotten into, because who wants to foul a spark plug at a race, especially if you just drove 12 hours to get there? What is the point? Spark plugs are cheap. So I'm going to show you guys how to change it now. So like I said, you just pull that cap loose, take it off, set it to the side, get the wrench that fits. Next you take the wrench that fits and take it loose. Another turn. This, I use my hand to finish taking it out. Now that it's out, it's the time that all right, now that we have it out, we're gonna take a look at it and see how things are working on the bike. I had no complaints from the last race, so hopefully it looks good. I did mix my oil a little. I put more oil in my gas because I knew the track we were at, it was gonna be more wide open than most, so I felt like extra oil would be good. Anyway, now let's take a look. Honestly, it looks perfect to me. So we're gonna go ahead and put a new plug in because we are already there. You take off this little gasket piece and put it on the new plug. I gotta find my new plug. I thought I got one. I don't really know where to put it. I found it. We use NGK plugs. They're the best on the market, easy to come by, and some people might say it's the only spark plug made. It's not a bad idea to check out the spark plug before you put it in, because you don't know if somebody's dropped it before. Anyway, this one looks good. Put the little gasket on, and we're gonna screw it back into the hole. Next, now that we got it hand tight, we are going to take our wrench and tighten it back up. We've actually seen in recent months somebody that brought in a bike that had the spark plug loose. My dad said, I'd rather see it come loose than you strip out your head, but definitely make sure you have it good and snug. That way you do not risk failure, running issues. And then after you do that, put your spark plug cap back on. Most of the time you can hear it click whenever you got it on. And that's how you change a spark plug. I will drop a couple of links to our website for the spark plugs that we keep in stock. And you can find a bunch of other things on there. So if you have any questions or have a suggestion for a video, please reach out and we will get one made.